Starting the national gas engine is a detailed and careful process. First, the cooling water is turned on, and compression is released so the flywheels can be rotated by hand. The engine is positioned just past top dead center before engaging the governor. Next, the gas supply is opened, the stop switch reset, and the spark plug connected. The ignition is set to retard for easier starting, then the compression valve is closed. Short bursts of compressed air are applied to turn the engine over. Timing is crucial to avoid stalling. Once it fires, the ignition is advanced for smooth, efficient operation. The V8 Nitro engine is a compact yet powerful 76cc overhead camshaft engine designed to deliver exceptional performance in small-scale applications. Featuring a classic V8 configuration, this miniature powerhouse produces an impressive 4 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Its OHC design enhances efficiency and precision by ensuring optimal valve timing and smooth power delivery across the entire RPM range. The engine's nitro fuel combustion system provides explosive acceleration and a thrilling exhaust sound reminiscent of full-sized racing engines. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, the V8 Nitro engine offers excellent heat dissipation and long-lasting reliability. Its intricate mechanical design, including functional pistons, connecting rods, and crankshaft, demonstrates remarkable engineering craftsmanship. Compact in size, but rich in detail and performance, this 76cc V8 Nitro engine is not only a technical marvel, but also a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate mechanical perfection and realistic engine sound. It perfectly blends engineering artistry with raw miniature power. The Rolls-Royce Meteor engine is an iconic British V12 powerplant originally derived from the legendary Rolls-Royce Merlin aircraft engine. Designed for use in armored vehicles during World War II, the Meteor carried the same precision and reliability as its aviation predecessor but was adapted for ground applications. In this modified version, the Meteor features a displacement of 27 liters and a robust V12 configuration, providing immense torque and power output suitable for extreme performance settings. This specific engine setup has been significantly upgraded with twin Borg-Warner S500SX turbochargers, allowing forced induction that boosts its output to an astonishing level. Under a charging pressure of 1.8 to 2 bars at 3,400 revolutions per minute, the Meteor achieves a power goal of 2,500 horsepower and a massive 5,160 Newton-meters of torque. Such numbers place it among the most powerful piston engines ever configured for custom or experimental automotive and mechanical applications. The combination of classic engineering heritage and modern turbocharging technology makes this Meteor not only a piece of mechanical history, but also a demonstration of engineering evolution. Its thunderous V12 roar, massive displacement, and twin-turbo boost create an extraordinary display of performance and craftsmanship, blending vintage design with modern innovation in one exceptional engine. The Field Marshal is a classic British single-cylinder tractor, renowned for its rugged reliability and distinctive starting method. This particular tractor was purchased new in 1947 by the owner's father and has since become a cherished family heirloom. It has been beautifully restored by its current owner, Nicole Mackenzie, who dedicated 4 years to bringing it back to its former glory. The Field Marshal is especially famous for its unusual starting system, which uses the blast of a 12-bore shotgun cartridge to start the engine. As a small boy, the owner was fascinated by this dramatic and powerful ignition process. Today, the tractor stands not only as a fully functional piece of machinery, but also as a remarkable example of post-war British engineering and craftsmanship, preserved with great care and passion for future generations to appreciate.
You see how the whole tractor moves with the inertia of the single piston rushing up and down its length. Well, when my father had it, it was left near a cliff top on slimy mud, and it slowly slid over the cliff with this motion and broke in half. An insurance claim was made, and the insurers rebuilt the tractor rather than replaced it. My father sold it on in 1960, and it went for spare parts. Nickel later acquired it and took 4 years to do the initial restoration, while in full-time employment as well. This is a delight for me to see it going again. I think last time I saw it running I was a 5-year-old.
A top-fuel dragster represents the pinnacle of drag racing performance and engineering. These extraordinary machines are the fastest accelerating cars in the world, capable of reaching speeds over 340 miles per hour within just 1,000 feet. Powered by purpose-built supercharged V8 engines running on nitromethane fuel, each engine can generate more than 11,000 horsepower. During acceleration, the driver experiences extreme G-forces comparable to those felt by astronauts during a space shuttle launch. The intense power and speed demand meticulous preparation from the pit crew, who play a crucial role in maintaining and rebuilding the engine between each race. Every component is inspected and fine-tuned to ensure optimal performance and safety. Together, the driver and crew demonstrate the ultimate combination of mechanical precision, teamwork, and human endurance in motorsport. The Brockel steam engine is a historic machine installed in the windmill of Brockel, a village in Lower Saxony, Germany. Built by the company Julius Meyer in Osnabrück, it was added to the windmill in 1895 as a supplementary drive to keep the milling operation running when wind power was insufficient. The steam engine powered one of the mill's grinding systems, ensuring continuous flour production even during calm weather. It remained in operation until 1920, when it was replaced by a more powerful diesel engine capable of driving all three grinders of the mill. After being removed, the old steam engine was reused in a sawmill in Hieslingen, where it continued to operate for several years. In 1993, the Brockel Mill Association began restoration efforts to preserve the historical windmill and successfully reacquired the original steam engine. Today, the fully restored Brockel steam engine stands once again inside the Brockel windmill as a museum exhibit, offering visitors a fascinating glimpse into the technological transition from wind to steam power at the turn of the 20th century. The Lanz Bulldog 7506 is one of the classic tractors produced by Heinrich Lanz AG in Mannheim, Germany. Lanz began manufacturing tractors in 1921, and the Bulldog series became one of the most iconic machines in agricultural history, with more than 220,000 units built until production ended in 1960. In 1956, John Deere acquired Lanz and continued producing tractors under the name John Deere Lanz. The Bulldog earned immense popularity and even became a generic term for tractors in parts of Germany, especially in Bavaria. The Lanz Bulldog 7506 is powered by a single-cylinder, two-stroke Ackroyd engine designed by Fritz Huber. The engine features a horizontal layout with a forward-facing hot bulb ignition device. Simple yet robust, it has very few moving parts, making it easy to maintain and operate. The engine can run on a wide variety of fuels, from diesel and petrol to even waste oils, thanks to its low-pressure fuel injection system. To start the engine, the hot bulb must be preheated with a blowtorch before hand cranking. Later versions adopted improved cooling and optional electric starters, marking the Bulldog as a durable and versatile machine of its time. The Deering 10-20 tractor, built in 1926 by International Harvester, represents one of the early icons of agricultural mechanization. This vintage model features a four-cylinder gasoline engine with a displacement of around 4.6 liters, producing 10 horsepower at the drawbar and 20 horsepower at the belt pulley, hence the name 10-20. Starting this old machine is a fascinating manual process that requires skill and patience. First, the operator lubricates the valve mechanisms with a few drops of oil to ensure smooth movement. Then, fuel is poured into a small funnel leading to the carburetor, providing just enough gasoline for ignition. The magneto switch is activated to generate a spark, and the choke is set for a rich fuel mixture. After checking that everything is ready, the flywheel is turned by hand to start the engine. With a puff of smoke and the rhythmic sound of its cylinders firing, the Deering 10-20 comes to life. Despite its age, this tractor remains a remarkable symbol of early 20th century engineering, admired today for its robust simplicity and historical value. The Tatra 111 was a legendary heavy-duty truck developed during World War II and produced by the Czechoslovak manufacturer Tatra. Its design was based on Tatra's unique engineering concept, featuring a central backbone tube chassis combined with independently suspended swing half-axles. This construction provided exceptional torsional and bending strength, protecting the truck's body from stress under extreme loads and rough terrain. Another advantage of the backbone tube was its ability to house vital drivetrain components, enhancing both durability and maintenance efficiency. The truck was powered by the Tatra Model V910 engine, derived from the earlier V8 design originally developed for the Tatra 103 armored car. This was Tatra's first air-cooled 75-degree V12 diesel engine, delivering 210 horsepower at 250 revolutions per minute. For post-war reliability, the output was reduced to 180 horsepower at 800 revolutions per minute, which significantly extended the engine's service life. The power plant featured 3 camshafts and was initially cooled by twin chain-driven fans, later replaced by a more practical belt drive system. The engine variant, known as the T111A, became a symbol of Tatra's engineering excellence. Combined with the robust chassis, it enabled the Tatra 111 to perform reliably in extreme weather and off-road conditions, making it one of the most respected and enduring military and industrial trucks of its era. N.